Hi, parents. My name's Jennifer Tyler, and I have the privilege of teaching your son or daughter IB Biology HL this year for the 2020 to 2021 school year. This year, we will be using Google Classroom primarily for most things that your son or daughter is going to need in this class. So, I highly encourage you to have your son or daughter log in to their account, which they have all gotten through their Wake County email and invite to join and have joined and been a part of our class since then. At the very top of their classwork page, you'll see a topic titled General Course Information. This is going to be where you can find anything you need to know in general about how this course is going to be run and where to find information about due dates and things. You'll see the very first link is going to be for my plan book in my website. Here in my plan book, I'm going to write out every single day. It is a virtual lesson planner. So you can see exactly what we did in class and exactly what their homework or classwork is going to be for that night. So that's going to be where I post all of that information. The next is going to be the link for our Google Meet for if they need any additional help or tutoring. I will be online from 1 to 2 p.m. every single day, Monday through Friday. They can log on at any point in time to access help from me on any assignment that they may be working on. Below that is my syllabus. So here's going to where I lay out any information about grading, attendance, materials, late work, makeup work, and things like that. So please read through that document if you have any questions there. Here in my syllabus, you will also find access to my email, jntyler@wcpss.net. If any questions or concerns arise during the school year, I highly recommend that you send me an email, and I will get back to you within 24 hours, given that it is a school day during the week, either Monday through Friday. You'll also notice here that I have a parent letter. So here I have written out, again, some important updates for where you can go to find certain things for this course, including for a link for how to sign up for my Remind. So Remind is a free text messaging app that I use or will use for when we do additional labs or activities in this class. Since this is science, I highly believe that any type of hands-on activity is going to solidify their knowledge, and it's what makes science fun, learning through experimentation. I will demonstrate every single lab or activity that we do in via our meets or a pre-recorded video. However, it's a lot more fun if they can also do it at home. So there may be times where I request specific materials like food coloring or salt or vinegar or eggs or carrots or pipe cleaners or something like that that can be easily obtainable that you may already have at your home or can easily be found at either a grocery store or Walmart or Target, things like that. I will be using Remind primarily for that reason. If there are any specific materials coming up within the week that we may use, or it would be helpful for them to have so they can participate along with the activity with me, as opposed to just being passive watchers. They can actually be active learners and active scientists during that class. So I will only probably use Remind for specific materials that your son or daughter might need for this class. Due dates and assignments and lessons can all be found on Planbook. You'll also notice that Google Classroom is designed to where you can actually see due dates beside assignments that are posted in Google Classroom. They look like a clipboard if it's an actual assignment your son or daughter has to turn in. And you can see that the parent letter and the student survey are going to be due tomorrow for this particular course. So if you have not read the parent letter already and turned in that survey, please do so. That will give me information about how I can best contact you if any concerns or arise or just to brag on your student. And you can also let me know if you have any types of special needs or concerns for your student as well through that. Otherwise, since we do only have 55 minutes as opposed to 90 minutes in this class is a flipped class by nature. I have already pre-recorded our lessons beforehand. So this is me talking through our PowerPoints. So they will be expected to have at least 30 minutes of watching lectures and taking notes before each class to prepare for one more together so that we can spend most of our time together working on practice or doing fun labs and activities that can bring that material to life. So your son or daughter should expect to have homework every night in this class, whether or not it's watching videos and taking notes or finishing up any type of classwork or lab activity that they may not necessarily have finished with us while we're together during our Google Meet time. As always, feel free to reach out to me by email if anything pops up or concerns arise, and I hope your son or daughter has a lot of fun in my class, as I know I will have a ton of fun this year. Have a great night.